Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, we are discussing a very interesting topic, how to write a business plan for a shoe store. And joining me today is a special guest, a business consultant and retail enthusiast, Miss Olivia Carter. Welcome to the show, Olivia.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm so happy to be here. And hello, everyone. I hope you're ready because I think we might disagree a little bit today.
Oh, I'm sure we will. That's what makes it interesting, right?
Exactly. A little argument makes the lesson more memorable.
All right, let's begin with the first part of any business plan, the executive summary. I believe this is the most important part. If you can't clearly explain your shoe store idea in one page, then maybe you don't understand your own business.
I partly agree. Yes, it's important, but I don't think it's the most important part.
Oh, then what is?
The financial plan. Investors care about money. They want to know, will I get my money back?
That's true, but if your executive summary is weak, investors won't even read your financial plan.
That's fair. Okay, so let's explain it clearly for our audience.
Good idea. The executive summary should include the name of the shoe store, the location, the target customers, what makes your store different, a short financial overview. For example, if your shoe store focuses on affordable fashion shoes for university students, say it clearly.
Yes, and don't make it too long. I've seen people write 3 pages for an executive summary. That's not a summary anymore.
Now, let's move to market research. In my opinion, this is where most people fail.
Oh, absolutely. They just say, everyone wears shoes, so everyone is my customer.
Yes, that's not market research, that's guessing.
Exactly. You need data. You need to answer, who are your target customers? What kind of shoes do they buy? How much are they willing to pay? Who are your competitors?
But here's where we might disagree. I think for a small shoe store, simple observation is enough.
No. I disagree strongly.
Oh, really?
Yes, even small stores need proper research. Visit competitor stores, check their prices, talk to customers, maybe even do a small survey online.
That's true, but I think beginners should not overcomplicate it. Don't spend 6 months researching and never open the store.
Fair point. Balance is important.
Let's be specific. Suppose someone wants to open a shoe store in a busy city area. Who could be their target market?
It depends. Are they selling sports shoes, formal office shoes, high heels, children's shoes?
Exactly. You can't sell everything at the beginning.
Yes, that's a big mistake. New business owners try to sell all types of shoes. The result, too much stock, not enough sales.
So in the business plan, clearly define your niche. For example, we target working professionals aged 22 to 40 who need comfortable and stylish office shoes.
Perfect. That sentence already sounds professional.
Now let's talk about products. This section should describe what you are selling.
Yes, but not just we sell shoes. Be specific.
Correct. Mention types of shoes, brands if any, price range, and additional services like shoe cleaning or repair.
I think adding services is very smart.
Why?
Because competition is high, many stores sell shoes, but if you offer free foot measurement, loyalty cards, or small discounts for students, you stand out.
Differentiation. Very important.
Exactly. Your business plan should clearly explain why customers will choose you instead of another store.
Let's move to location. In retail, location is everything.
Yes, a great product in a bad location can fail.
So in your business plan, include store size, rental cost, nearby competitors, foot traffic.
And don't forget operations. How many staff will you hire? What are their roles?
Good point. For example, 1 store manager, 2 sales assistants, 1 cashier.
Also include opening hours. It may seem small, but it shows planning.
Now, this is my favorite part, marketing strategy.
Of course it is.
I believe social media marketing is enough for a small shoe store.
I don't fully agree.
Why not?
Because it depends on your target market. If you are selling shoes for older customers, they may not use social media much.
That's true. So what do you suggest?
Combine online and offline marketing, ING and FB promotions, grand opening discounts, flyers near offices or schools, collaborations with local influencers.
I like the grand opening idea.
Yes, first impressions matter.
All right, now we reach the financial plan, your favorite part.
Yes, this is where things become real. No more dreaming.
So what should be included?
At minimum, startup costs, rent, renovation, inventory, equipment, monthly expenses, salaries, utilities, marketing, sales forecast, break-even analysis.
Break-even means the point where revenue equals expenses, right?
Exactly. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, you must sell enough shoes to make at least $3,000 just to survive.
And after that, you start making profit.
Yes, but many new owners forget about unexpected expenses.
Like what?
Damaged inventory, slow sales months, emergency repairs.
So always add extra budget as safety.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about risks. Every business has risks.
Yes, for a shoe store, risks may include strong competitors, changing fashion trends, and economic downturn.
And online shopping competition.
Oh yes, that's a big one.
So in your business plan, explain how you will handle these risks.
For example, offer excellent customer service, keep inventory flexible, sell both in-store and online.
That shows investors you are realistic.
Can I add something?
Of course.
Many people forget to include long-term goals. A business plan is not only about the first year.
True.
Ask yourself, where do you see your shoe store in 3 years? Do you want to open a second branch? Do you want to create your own brand?
I like that. It shows ambition. All right, Olivia, final question. Should a business plan be very detailed, like 50 pages?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I thought you liked details.
I do, but clarity is more important than length.
So we agree.
Yes, a good business plan for a shoe store should be clear, realistic, organized, based on research, financially sound.
And not copied from the internet.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, we've argued, we've laughed, and hopefully we've helped you understand how to write a business plan for a shoe store.
Remember, planning reduces risk. A good business plan is like a roadmap.
Thank you so much, Olivia Carter, for joining us today.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. It was fun arguing with you.
And thank you to our listeners. If you enjoyed this episode of Season 3 of the Sam Podcast, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.